Hello everybody, what is going on? Welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can watch Hulu shows, episodes, or videos in general offline. So let's get right into it. First and foremost, Hulu is an online streaming service akin to Netflix, on which you can stream videos such as episodes of shows, shows in general, films, and so on and so forth. Now, as with any other service of that nature, it is online, meaning that you have to be connected to view videos. However, there is a way to circumvent that and a way to watch videos offline, and that is to download content. As you can see, I am using this article which I have found on the internet. This is the Hulu Help Center article, so you can refer to this if anything I say is unclear to you. But without further ado, let's get right into it. First and foremost, what you want to do is make sure that you are connected to the internet, and then you have the option to download content. You can download videos, episodes, films, and so on and so forth. To actually download something, you need to be connected. As I said, go into the downloads section in the navigation bar, swipe through the various collections, and then select the movie or show you'd like to download, and then press download. For TV shows, you'll need to select episodes. For movies, you'll just download the entire movie. You can monitor the progress on the download bar, and once it is downloaded, it will be in your downloads folder. Now, you can also use cellular data. You don't need to be connected to Wi-Fi. You'll just need to set that up under your settings. And the way you can watch these is to actually open up the app, go into the download section, and then on the next prompt, you'll just have the option to view all your downloads, and then you can select anything and watch it from there. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you next time.